Yeah, let's look at these two right here. Start with the 95 plus 61. So once again, I'm going to stack these by their place values, right? So I got a 9 in the tens place value, a 5 in the ones place value. And I'm just going to point this out again. If you were like, yeah, I like to separate them even more. And again, I know visually sometimes it just makes people's brains hurt. So if that's too far apart, or if you're like, yeah, I'd like them even farther apart, well, be careful if you put them too far apart, because sometimes stuff gets put in between that you don't mean to. So that's 95, 9 in the tens, 5 in the ones, and then I got this 61 here with a 1 in the ones and a 6 in the tens place value. And again, it's almost like these are two separate problems where we're adding them separately, right? I mean, we look at it as one problem like this, but if you looked at it as two separate problems, that's even a good thing, because it essentially is, okay? So I'd say, all right, I start with the ones place value, 5 plus 1. And again, if you're using your fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 1 is 6 there. And then 9 plus 6, again, if you need to use your fingers, if you got the math facts down, that's great. 9, and then there's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Boom, 15 right there, right? So I'd say that's a 15 and a 6, which, when I combine this, now it's a composite number, 156. See, and this is the other thing about me when I make mistakes is now I'm a little gun shy about saying that's the answer, because I've made a mistake now, and then I I kind of freak out. It's like, is it actually 156? Yeah, but again, just visually, this looks like it's good. All right, so here 105 plus 254. Again, I'm going to point this out. We haven't seen any carrying yet. We are going to, but not in this problem, I guess. But once again, let's stack these by their place value. So I'll start with the 105. I'll just write it out. 105, giving myself a little space between the numbers. And then I'm going to add 254. 2 in the hundreds place value. 5 in the tens place value. 4 in the ones place value. Let's start adding. And again, even if you wanted to put addition symbols between that, again, it's almost like we've broken it up into its expanded form, but without showing all those zeros. That's fine, because we know each place value kind of holds those zeros in place. So right here, I've got 5 plus 4 in the ones place value. That would be 9. 0 plus 5 is 5. That's the tens place value. And then the hundreds place value, 1 plus 2 is 3. Now, if you wanted to clean it up, you could say, well, okay, I'm going to get rid of those plus signs just to make it look pretty. Okay. I mean, I thought that it was colorful, made it look pretty, but that's up to you. So the sum, 105 plus 254, is 359. So there we go. Addition by stacking. It's good stuff.